Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add beautiful newsletter pop-up to your Shopify store using DOM theme. This is perfect if you want to collect emails, grow your audience and increase your sales with a simple pop-up. And don't worry, no coding needed. I will explain every step so even if you are brand new to Shopify, you will get it done in a few minutes. Now, if you if you don't know what is newsletter pop-up and why add-ons, a newsletter pop-up is that small window that appears on website when someone visits. It is usually asks visitor to enter their email and exchange for discount or update or offer. So why add it? Because it helps you to collect email addresses from people visiting your store. That means you can send them promotion later and turn them into repeat customer. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is just simply log in into your Shopify account, and after logging in you will get to see this kind of interface. Now after logging in, what you have to do is just simply search for install eComposer app. So we are starting from your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on the apps, and over here you have to search for eComposer. As you can see here, we got eComposer. Just simply click on that, and when it appears in the list, click on it and hit the next button. Now it will ask you to quick setup for your theme. I have already installed. Just simply click on the next. But if you are a new, what you have to do is just simply follow the prompt to install it into your store. So if you ask what is eComposer, is a eComposer is a drag and drop builder for Shopify. It lets you to design stunning pop-ups without writing a single line of code. So that's we are creating right now. Just simply click on that. Now let's open eComposer. Now after that, you have to open an eComposer. Then under the app, click on the open eComposer. You will see a welcome screen that they will introduce the tool and its feature. You can create any kind of custom page, landing page, pop-ups, etc. And it includes thousands of templates and hundreds of design elements. So now let's choose the down theme. After clicking on eComposer and clicking on the active, it will ask you to choose a theme to work on. We will choose down. Just simply click on the next button. Now over here you have to enter your password. Your store has password protection. Enter it here allow to previewing your pages eComposer. Now enter your password. What I will do, I will just enter my okay. Now after the entering the password, let's build your first page. Ready to build your first page in eComposer, you have to select the page type, like if you want to create landing page, home page, product, collection. We have to create a pop-up. So I will choose landing and pages. So if you see in new there is an option, if there is an option available of pop-up, you should choose pop-up. Now after choosing your type, just simply select on template. It will ask you to choose template from the list. Now as you can see here, we have lots of templates, lots of option. You can preview it as well if you want. You will see, like, I suggest keeping it clean and minimal. You want to pop if you want the pop-up to look nice, not too loud, you should choose the you know this one. Make sure you have choose a simple template, not so complex, not that flashy. So yeah, now click on the next after selecting a template, and it is selected. Now click on the next to continue. Just simply click on the continue. Now over here you have to give a page info. Now set up a basic information like add a title, use for pop-up page title. Now what I will do, I will just enter testing pop-up. Now then the add, you can add a handle used in the page URL, and decide whether to show the header or footer. I recommend turning them off for pop-up, and but if you want to now, just simply hide it. It will hide the footer and header. So click on the start building. uh, Now customize the pop-up. You have to now click on the insert. Choose how you want to insert this template. Insert under the current layout in the editor. Keep the default templates typography. Click on the insert. I agree all of them. Now you are inside the pop-up editor. Let's customize it. Now if you want to change in the text box, what you have to do is just simply double tap on the text. So it will give you the option to change the text. Now you can add a subheading like sign up for exclusive deals and updates. You can customize the email input and field. Make sure it says something like enter your email. You can give the product over here as well. So it depends on you and like what kind of pop-up you want to create. This is too long. Now in the customization section, you have to make sure that you make this pop-up very good looking. You have to put your creativity in it. So for example, if I want to change this button name, just simply double tap it. In the left side you can get editing layout where you can edit things like button label, button link. You can add a link of the button. You can give a button ID and icon. If you want to give a spacing between icon and button, you can give that too. And if you talk about the design, you can give design as well. For example, they have lots of option. If you want to give animation effect, you can give that too. Just select it, fade in, fade out. If you go in the icon, you have lots of option. Just explore what you get. If you want to change this image, what you can do is just simply double tap on the image and you can just simply click on the edit. So they have lots of options, like you can crop the size, you can create a link, you can fetch lots of things, and enable overlay. If you so you have to explore. Now setup when pop-up appears. Now click on the settings. So what you have to do is just simply come back and click on the advanced setting. Now if you want to set up when the pop-up appears, what you have to do, just simply go into settings to control when your pop-up will appear. You can get exit intent, shows when someone about to leave your site, or you can give time delays as well. Now you can scroll trigger as well, show after the visitor scroll down. So it is recommended using exit intent or time delay or smooth user experience. Now let's connect to Shopify email leads. Make sure the pop-up actually collect emails. Go to form sections. If you want to add or connect or Shopify emails, what you have to do is just simply come over here, the content, and from here what you can do to collect emails, just simply drag this newsletter into the this, or you what you can do is just simply uh, drag this contact form into yours. It will ask user first name, last name, email address, phone number, and all of those things. So it is kind of like a form, so you can fetch the details. Now I have already told you how you can add images. Just simply click on the image and you can change it from here. Now after all doing like after setting your pop-up message or pop-up newsletter, what you have to do, just simply click on the publish button. You can preview it as well. Now if you want to test, you can test as well. Just simply click on the test and build a stunning page in a minute. So it will test, as you can see here. I think this is good. Now click on the publish. Once you are happy with the design, just simply click on the publish. Now choose the page it should appear on. I recommend the home page. It should be in the home page. Now if you want to give a meta description, you can give that too. Social media image sharing, it will optimize for SEO. So yes, that's this is how you can Create it now. Visit, just simply click save and publish after confirming your general settings. Now, oops, the layout ecom not found. Maybe there is a issue. Okay, let's try again. So there is an issue of something. If doesn't show up, go back and check trigger setting in ecomper and the setting. You can analyze that as well. Now you just add a beautiful high covering newsletter pop-up uh, to your Shopify store using town theme, all without coding. If this tutorial helped you to out, then please hit the like button and subscribe for the more Shopify tutorial.